Chapter 8. More on MS PowerPoint 2010. After this lesson, you will be able to edit and format a slide in MS PowerPoint, add bullets and numbers to the slide, change the background and add graphics to the slides, rearrange the slides in a presentation, set up a slideshow. Introduction. In the previous chapter, you have learned how to create a presentation in MS PowerPoint. How about adding some pictures and graphics to your presentation? Wouldn't it look more interesting? In this chapter, you will learn some more features like formatting and editing the slides, adding some graphics and pictures to your slide, and much more. Editing a slide. We can make changes to a slide by moving or duplicating text at any time. This is called editing a slide. In order to edit a slide, you have to move or duplicate text object. Moving text or object. We use cut and paste options to move text or objects. The selected text or object that you want to move is cut from one location of a slide and pasted on another location of the same slide or another slide. Follow these simple steps to move the text from one place to another. Select the text or object to be moved. Click on the Cut command. Place your insertion point where you wish the text to appear. Click on the Paste command and the text will reappear. Do you know? You can also cut, copy and paste by right-clicking on your slide and duplicating a text or object. We use copy and paste options to duplicate text or objects. In order to duplicate the text, copy the selected text from one location and paste it to another location. Follow the simple steps to copy and paste the text. Select the text or object you wish to copy. Click on the Copy command. Place your insertion point where you wish the text to appear. Click on the Paste command. The text or object will appear at this place. You can also change the order of the slides by right-clicking on the screen and clicking on Duplicate the current slide, hence bringing it up or down in the order. Do it yourself. Create a slide on water resources. The text should consist of all the natural resources such as rain, water, rivers, glaciers, etc. You can copy and paste pictures from the internet and use them in your slide. If any picture doesn't fit in the slide, you can also cut it and paste it somewhere else to be used later. Format a slide. Formatting a slide implies arranging the text according to the chosen pattern, changing the font size and style. Choosing an appropriate font for a particular presentation makes it more effective and impressive. You will now learn about various formatting features available in PowerPoint. Font. The text can appear in different fonts on the screen. Some of them are: this is Calibri font. This is Comic Sans font. Do you know, the regular text, sometimes called the normal text, is the default style used. Font size. It refers to the size of the text as it appears on the screen. Style of writing. The various styles available on the tab are bold, italics, underline. These are used to give an impact to the text in presentation. Bold. It is often used for titles and heading. The text is printed darker so that words and phrases stand out on a page. Italic. It is also used for headings. The text is slanted and is mostly used to emphasize an action. Underline. After the title has been highlighted, it can be underlined to make it more effective. Superscript. The size of the text is reduced and raised to the top of current line. For example, F raised to the power 3, where 3 is the superscript. Subscript. It reduces the size of the text and lowers it to the bottom of the current line. For example, H2O, where 2 is a subscript. Text color. In the table given above, you must have noticed the text in different colors, which has given it a different impact and attractive looks. Text color can thus beautify your slide, and it also lays emphasis on heading and subheadings. Do it yourself. Change the font of your previously created slide text to Calibri. Change the font size of your headings to 20 and text to 14. Select the text and change its color too. Format Painter. This special tool allows you to copy the text format and not the text from one part of the text to another. All formats like font, size, font color, etc. can be copied easily using Format Painter. Follow the following simple steps to use the Format Painter. Select the text from where the format is to be copied. Click on the Format Painter button on the toolbar. The mouse pointer changes to brush. Drag the mouse over the text on which the same format is to be applied. Keyboard shortcuts. Cut, Ctrl+X. Paste, Ctrl+V. Copy, Ctrl+C. Underline, Ctrl+U. Italics, Ctrl+I. Bold, Ctrl+B. Select all, Ctrl+A. Undo, Ctrl+Z. Redo, Ctrl+Y. Aligning the text. There are 4 types of alignment: left, right, center, and justified. The text alignment refers to the text layout within a paragraph with respect to document margins. Select the text you wish to modify. Select one of the 4 alignment options in the paragraph group. Left alignment aligns the selected text to the left margin. It is the default alignment. Center alignment aligns text on an equal distance from the left and right margins, that is, in the center of the page. Right alignment aligns the selected text to the right margin. Justify. Justified text is equal on both sides and lined up equally to the right and left margins. The text used in newspapers and magazines is usually full justification. Adding bullets or numbers. Bullets and numbers will help you in arranging the data in the form of points. These points can be either in the form of bullets or numbers. Use the following steps to add numbers to your slide. Select the text where you wish to add a bullet. Click on the Bullets and Numbering command in the paragraph group. The number box is right beside the bullet box in the paragraph group. If you wish the points to be in the form of bullets, then select any style given under the Bulleted tab or the Number tab. Do it yourself. Align the text in the previously made slide on Water Resources to Justified. Changing the slide background. Plain background looks dull and boring. Why not add some colors, textures, and different patterns to the background of your slide? Let us now see how you can make your slides more colorful. Follow these steps to change the slide background. Click on Design menu in the Home tab. Select a background of your choice from the background styles. Adding a pattern background to slides. Click on Pattern Fill in the Fill section. Click on the Foreground Color button to choose a color. Click on the Background Color button to choose a color. Click on various pattern options to see the effect on your slide. After choosing the color, click Close to apply this to one slide, or click Apply to All to apply the effect to all the slides of the current presentation. Adding graphics to the presentation. Graphics are added to the presentation to make it more interesting. They can be more informative than words. You can also add digital graphics available from various sources such as images, digital camera photographs, and illustration software. Inserting a picture. Click on Insert menu, Screenshot. The Insert Picture dialog box will appear with a list of graphic files. Select the picture file most suitable for your presentation. Inserting clip art. Clip art are files consisting of various ready-made animations and cartoons. Use these steps to add clip art to your file. Click on Insert menu, Clip Art option. The Clip Art task pane is displayed on the window. Type the category name in the search for option, for example, Animals. List of all the pictures of animals will be displayed. Select the picture and right-click on it. Select Insert and the clip art will be inserted in the current slide. Do it yourself. Create a presentation on land and water animals. Add various pictures and clip art in your presentation and make it very attractive. Sound or music files can be saved on your computer in many formats such as MP3 or WAV. Add a music file or a movie clip to your presentation using these steps. Select the slide where the sound file or movie file has to be inserted. Click Insert tab Videos and Audio. Click on the Video from File option to insert a video file. The Insert Video dialog box appears. Select the desired file and click OK. Click on the Insert Audio File option to insert a sound file. the Insert dialog box appears. Select the desired file and click OK. Tips: always keep your sound files in the same folder where you have saved your presentation. After you have inserted the file, a message box is displayed. You can select to play the music or the movie either automatically or when the mouse button is clicked. The sound icon will appear after you have inserted the sound files. Organizing slides in presentation. The order of the slide can be changed easily after the presentation is made. It can be done in two ways. Changing order in normal view. Open your presentation in normal view. Select the slide whose order is to be changed in the slide tab on the left side. Drag it either up or down and release it at the desired location. You can view your presentation to check the difference in the order of the slides. Changing order in slide sorter view. Open your presentation in slide sorter view. Select the slide, the order of which has to be changed. Drag it either left or right and release it to the desired location. View your presentation to check the difference in the order of the slides. Slide transition. You can control how one slide will change over to another slide during the presentation. Slide transition is the animated way in which slides appear one after the other in a slideshow. You can control the following features when a slide appears on the screen during the presentation. The slides can either move automatically after setting preset timings or by clicking on the mouse. Use patterns such as box in, checkerboard, across, etc. to make the slides appear on the screen. Use some sound effects by using appropriate sound files. The slide transition pane controls all these features. Use the following steps to apply slide transition. Select the slide to which you want to apply a transition. Select the More button, down-facing arrow on the Transition tab to reveal all the transition options in the gallery. Select the transition you would like to apply to your slide. The transitions are divided into three types: subtle, exciting, and dynamic content. Slideshow. After finishing with the presentation slides, next step is to set a PowerPoint slideshow. In the slideshow, the slides run in full screen mode. There can be many options for running a slide, from the first slide, from the current slide, etc. Let us learn about them one by one. Slideshow from the first slide. Click Slideshow from the beginning. Slideshow will start from the beginning. Slideshow from the current slide. Click the slideshow icon from the current slide. Slideshow will begin from the current slide. Setting up a slideshow. Select the Slideshow tab. Click the Setup Show command. The Setup Show dialog box will appear. In Show option, select the desired option. For example, Loop continuously until escape will help you run the presentation continuously. That is, if the last slide of the show is shown, then the slideshow begins automatically from the first slide. The slides will keep on repeating continuously until you press the escape key. Select the desired pen color from the pen color drop-down list if you are changing the mouse pointer to a pencil during the slideshow. Click OK. Do it yourself. Open the presentation on water resources in the Slide Sorter view. Select the slides and keep transition effects for the slides. Let the slide move automatically after every 5 seconds. Add some audio files if needed. Save the changes. Set up the slideshow and view your presentation. Summary. With formatting and editing, you can make your slides more appealing to the audience. Editing a slide requires moving and duplicating the text. The 4 types of alignments are right, left, center, justified. All the data can be arranged in the form of bullets or numbers. Slide background helps you to change the background colors, textures, and patterns of the slides in the presentation. Graphics can be used to make a presentation more interesting. Insert graphics in the form of clip art or pictures. After completing the presentation, the order of the slides can be changed easily and rearranged either in the normal view or the slide sorter view.